Do I prefer my new iWis heavy gauge crimper over the hydraulic crimper? My answer is yes, but let me tell you why. This right here is the hydraulic heavy gauge crimp. It's like the Amazon special. I think everybody actually has this one. So it does come with the different dies, so you can crimp more than one size. To change them out is pretty easy. You literally just lift this up, slide these out. And the ones that you want to put in, you just slide those in place and then push that down. I don't know what this number measurement actually means. So when it comes down to trying to find out what fits my 4 gauge and aught gauge, this thing goes from 25 all the way up to 300, and I don't know how to convert that measurement. So I'm literally just sticking the lug in and then trying to crimp down on this to see if it's gonna give me the proper crimp. I don't have to worry about that with my other crimper because it's already labeled on the side from 6 gauge all the way up to 4/0, so it makes it perfectly easy. So if you're interchanging these and sliding out, there's a whole lot of play in it, and I know they do that to kind of make it easy to go in. But with this one, there's no play at all. You just slide it out and then you can pop these out. And when you put the new ones in, they snap in and lock. You're crimping the lug on this one, you have to make sure that the pressure is turned on, and then you gotta pump that however many times. Usually get it to where it's about right there. Then give it a little bit more till it gets on, just to try to position it. And finally, now that I've got that tight, I can go ahead and insert my wire on the other side and continue doing that same motion until I get a solid crimp. But if you're doing a whole bunch of wires, it's gonna be real time consuming. The other one comes with a wire stripper, this one don't. On this one, we can just put it inside the 4 gauge, one crimp, and it's done. And I'm also left with a nice little indentation on the front of that crimp, which is a nice little touch that I like as well. I also had one person comment that said you should always use this one because you can't get a good crimp with that one. Did you not see my son hanging on this crimp from the other video? And it's solid too. To show y'all how strong this crimp is, pull on the wire, pull it down. All in all, I started out with this one. Does it work? Yes. Is it effective? Yes, but it's just going to take too long. This one's cheaper, especially when you use my promo code at icrimptools.com. It comes with a wire stripper, and you don't need 20 different dies to crimp different sizes of wire. You only need these 4 to crimp up to 9 different sizes. So that's my opinion.